Another chord that you guys will want to look at when you're thinking organ theory. Well, I mean any keyboard instrument, but particularly organ, is the diminished major seven. Okay, first you have the basic diminished, which is if speaking from the key of C, C is 1, D is 2, E is 3, F4, G5, A6, B7, C again is 1. Okay, a diminished chord. The difference between the diminished chord and the major chord is that the regular C major is C, E, G. Well, the diminished flats the third, so you have a minor third. Okay, so from E to E flat, and it also flats the fifth, which is G. So you have a C, E flat, G flat. Okay. Now a fully diminished is C, E flat, G flat, and a 6, which is A. Theoretically, it's considered a double flatted 7 because B is the 7, flat 7 is B flat, and then you double flat the 7, which would be A. So that's diminished. That's the fully diminished chord. And then a diminished major 7 is when you play the diminished triad, just the 3 notes without that, and then you play the major 7, which is the B. Okay. I mean, I know many artists have used it before, but I think one of Ty Tribbett's first album is where I personally took notice of that chord being used. But organists have used it all the time over the years. So okay, that's the move. And then a lot of people double up on that major 7 right here to add tension. Okay. And all I did was add more notes that's in the chord already. I got the E flat, E flat, G flat, A, and that B. Then I got my C, E flat, G flat, A. Make sure you make that B move in both hands. Okay. You would use it when any of those notes from the diminished chord is in the bass. If a C is in the bass, an E flat is in the bass, or a G flat is in the bass, and you're trying to move to, you're trying to move, like just now I went from G flat to G, so I did the, and then another good place that it's used, but this is with the F, but I'm just letting you see it. This is F diminished major 7 over that G, which is your 5, and your foot, you got F, A flat, B, E, and that just went from E to the D. So you got, and, then you go wherever else you want to go in that song. Okay, in any song. Again, learn your major scales so it doesn't matter which key you're in, and then you can know what's a flat or sharp, flat 5, sharp 5. You just know what to move, and you can instantly transpose it without using a button. Okay, the transpose button is in your head, it's in your brain. You don't have to use it on the keyboard. All right, although they do have some digital organs coming out, that are out that can transpose. They shouldn't have gave y'all that though.